Then comes 2024. Honorable Nadda ji's reply. Honorable Nadda ji ने कहा एक reply में कि the Supreme Court at that point had intervened, but the intention of the government to bring NEET. It's not the Supreme Court that has brought NEET. It is the government has brought NEET. I'm not saying that. This is Nadda ji replying. The paper is right here. But what is in the bill? That is very interesting, sir. The bill, point number 6, says in the statement on the objectives of the bill, it says, in the view of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, NEET became mandatory for all undergraduate and postgraduate admissions with immediate effect. However, some state governments, so is it Supreme Court done it or has this government done it? Yeah. Can they kindly clarify? And both these documents are parliament documents, not my creations. One is a reply and one is a bill. So can this government get out of this jingoism and get serious and tell us why really this bill has come up? Third, what part in 2024? Excellent drafting of the bill. Excellent. Even if I'm in opposition, I'll say that. Because this is not about तू मैं में. ये बच्चों के बारे में क्या तू मैं करेंगे यहाँ? वो पॉलिटिकल होगा वो लड़ रहेंगे रास्ते पे. यहाँ इसलिए नहीं आते हम सिर्फ लड़ने के लिए. What is this bill done? 2024. Unfair means an objective. Every objective has been achieved. बस ये इम्प्लीमेंट होता 24 में तो 26 में जंतर मंतर का दिन नहीं देखने पड़ते हम सबको. Why is the government not followed this? What are they talking about? And what is in this written? This is also interesting, sir. This is again 2025 reply in the government. 21st June 2024, the bill has become an act. 22nd June, a committee is formed which is doing recommendations. Have you heard of such a thing, sir? On 21st, I reiterate what I say. 21st June 2024, a bill has come, the act is made. And 22nd, they have started a committee of recommendations. Kiska mazak udaya ja raha hai? Then didn't you take the committee recommendations before? Or why didn't you have a committee? Then what was the rush of the bill? What is the logic? Can somebody tell me? Now, this is the approach of this government, even today. I mean, I have a lot of regard for Honorable Jitendra Singh ji. He's a learned man. But I wish all the BJP people spoke with some empathy, some compassion, some humility, and some sensitivity when it's about children. We have lost how many children, sir? There's this girl, my friend Dayanidhi Maran spoke about Anita. There's a girl from Maharashtra, Priyanka ji spoke about just yesterday, Anita Sangle. She killed herself, unfortunately. Now, can you tell me, why has this happened? Why is this divide? Why is DMK against the NEET? I asked them, why? What is the problem? Has government ever consulted them? Because it's the difference between the haves and the have-nots. The coaching classes in this country. Who is regulating the coaching classes in this country? Can, sir, the Honorable Minister reply to this question? It's a huge business. I think that Shrikant Shinde said it. That Shrikant Shinde said, or Krishna said, that they are going for IPOs and all that. Coaching class is going for IPOs. How many lakhs and lakhs of rupees do people give? Then what will this girl, this Anita, and this girl from Maharashtra yesterday, this Sagre girl, Ankita, they can't afford coaching classes, sir. What is this government talking about? And this is a collapse of trust. This is what they are not understanding. NEET is not there. And, you know, I come from the state of Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and Savitribai Phule. We have great pride in gender equality and education. Now, I would like to quote one of their allies. They have seemed to have forgotten what people have said. Sir, with your permission, I'd like to read it in Marathi. What he has said, which nobody from that side has said. I wish somebody had said it from that side. Just on human angles. I think that Tejasvi Surya finally said something nice, which I welcome from him. But I wish that came from the minister. What is this gentleman saying? Well, my ex-colleague, Mr. Chhagan Bhujbal. What is he saying? Dharmendra, I'll say it in Marathi, sir, read it verbatim. धर्मेंद्र प्रधान यांनी 15 दिवसापूर्वी राजीनामा दिला असता तर आंदोलनाचा उद्रेक झाला नसता. मीन्स 15 दिन पहले अगर इन्होंने इस्तीफा दिया होता तो ये उद्रेक नहीं होता. ये मैं नहीं सिर्फ कह रही हूँ, हम तो कह ही रहे, लेकिन आपके एलाय भी कह रहे, आप सुन नहीं रहे. पोलिसांचा लाठीचार्ज, त्यानंतर देशात परिस्थिती संतापाची लाट, या सर्व गोष्टी संपूर्ण जगाने पाहिलेल्या आहेत. हे आंदोलनात दिल्लीत जंतर मंतर पुरत नाही तर नाशिक, महाराष्ट्र आणि पूर्ण देशात इशारा आहे. He is your ally is telling you कि ये इशारा है. This is Mr. Chhagan Bhujbal's statement. I hope government is listening. चलो उनका ally का मत सुनो. मुरली मनोहर जोशी सर का भी तो सुनिए. What has he said? A painful to see young girls being mishandled. This is such a senior leader of this country. He was an education minister of India. Why has he not said it? Sir, this is not about UPA versus NDA. This is about system versus aspirations. There is a system we unitedly want to change for the aspirations of these children. Why aren't we doing this? And committee after committee, Kothari Ayog, Yashpal Samiti, Rashtriya Nyan Ayog, this Radhakrishna Ayog, what has this government done for it? मैं मानती हूँ हमने किया ना, मैं क्या कह रही हूँ, आपका तो स्पीकर बोला है सब गलती हमारी है, पर उस गलती में मैं तो ठीक से पढ़ गई. और मैं जब पढ़ रही थी तब अंधेरा नहीं था, बिजली थी, गाड़ी थी, ट्रेन थी, सबसे. मैं तो बुलेट कार्ड से नहीं जाती थी सर, रास्ते भी थे. शायद आपने चौड़े किए होंगे, उसमें मेरे किसान का बेचारे का जो गया था वो भी आप लेके गए, उसका पूरा जमीन. वो तो अलग बात है, उस पर नहीं बोलूंगी आज. But what are the 3 points that your own government secretaries are saying, sir? The NTA, this is a co-founder of Radhakrishna Commission member saying, the NTA does not have too many psychometric or deep experts to set question papers. The educational testing service which conducts GRE and TOEFL has 600 researchers. What is Mr. Subramaniam, former Secretary, Department of Education, saying? The NTA has meant to be very lean organization, but in the pen and paper exam, you need 10,000 of them to run. Last 2 points, sir, only. And this is the hardest one to hit, sir. The Secretary demanding of Higher Education. I quote him, each time one loophole is fixed, another appears. That is why institutions need people with memory, expertise, and ability to learn from the failure.